Welcome back to the KOM Morning Show. Now, in our first half of the hour, we talked about what the event was. Now we're going to dig a little deeper into the history of it all. But first, can you restate what your event is about and when is it?
It's Saturday, September 17th from 11 to 4 at the Oswego Community Center.
What is the event?
It's our Relay for Life for the county, and we're going to have a car show as well. There's a $10 entry fee to enter your car that you want to bring. And we're not just limiting to cars. If you have a motorcycle too, you're welcome to bring those as well. And
so one of the events is going on is a car show?
Yes.
Nice. What are the other events?
We'll have theme laps. We'll do a patriotic theme lap where you can dress up in anything patriotic. And then we have a
Hawaiian lap, pajama lap, and there's one more and I can't think of it right off the top of my head.
Wow, that sounds really fun. You're also mentioning there's going to be food trucks and other little...
There are going to be food trucks, the Skinny Hen and Outsiders Tacos, and then Oswego treats for like snow cones and such.
Nice. Can you tell me about the shirts and the orange shirt that you have right there?
The orange shirt is for the event leadership. It's for like Brianda and I and anyone else that has been helping plan the relay this year. We'll all be in orange shirts and we'll be able to tell you where to go if you have any questions and if you're interested in starting a team for next year's relay as well.
Nice. Tell me a little bit about the history.
Relay was founded in 1985. I've been doing relay for about 15 years.
I've been doing it for about 8.
Nice. You guys are very seasoned veterans, I bet.
We are. Yeah.
Can you tell me about the baggie and what it represents?
This is the Luminary bag. People purchase these for $5 and it's in honor of or in memory of their cancer survivor or cancer family member or friend. We hope to have a lot of these. After our actual relay that evening in persons from 7:30 to 9:30, we're going to do a luminary ceremony where all the bags are lit up when it's dark and it's just, warms your heart.
It sounds very beautiful. Light
It
up the
is.
sky, definitely.
Yes.
Is there anything else you'd like to say about the event, the history of it, or anything else?
This year's theme, we always have a theme every year, and this year's theme, it was chosen by LCC, and the theme is Racing for a Cure.
Nice. That's a good thing. That is a good theme.
Yes,
Definitely. Yes. Well, it sounds like a really good event. Could you restate when it is, where it's at, and...
It's Saturday, September 17th at the Oswego Community Building, and we start at 11, and we'll finish up at 4.
Well, thank you, ladies. We'll be right back with another look at your forecast after the break.